Hello everyone! In this tutorial we are going to set up VPN in the Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser. Search for Urban VPN and hit enter. You can see here Urban VPN search result appeared. Click on First Website. Here we are, redirected to their website. You can also download this VPN for iOS and Android phone. And now hit the download button. Here, we are redirected to extension page. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Here we can see download has been started. Wait for some time. Here you can see it is downloaded. Now click here. Here you can see extension added successfully. You can get access to extension from here. Click on here. Click on Agree and Continue. Now press the button to connect VPN. Here you can see it is started successfully. To cross-check, go to search bar. Type, "What is my IP?" Click on First link. Click on First website. You can see here our IP is changed. Let's cross-verify. Here you can see changed IP. From here, you can also select another country. You can also connect to Indian server. Thank you, only this much in this video.